Here I have Mercedes EQ, and on this example, let me show you how to use departure times feature. Let's begin. Alright, so in order to use departure times, all you need to do is use here the Mercedes EQ icon right here. From the following screen, you can use a few interesting Mercedes EQ features, but right now let's focus on departure times. Let's tap here. As you can see, here you can use the pre-entry climate control. So the car will heat or cool the interior to your last set temperature. By the time you open the door, the seats are warm and the air is perfect for you. So all you need to do to use this feature is set up the departure time. In my case, let's be 10 a.m. Tap OK, and you can do it once, or you can use the weekly profile, so you can just enable the departure time on Monday, as you can see right now, and you can also set it here. You can delete the options. You can set up which days you would like to activate the departure times on which hour, and if everything is correct, you can just use the following weekly profile. You can also tap here to use the settings, and you can use the pre-entry climate control when the device is unlocked. And you can also, for example, heat the driver's seat only. So it could be really useful and it could be nice for your battery. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.